System errors causing the Olex2 module DLL crashes in OlexSys. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we begin the manual steps for Olex2 module, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Olex2 module, a specialized rendering library used by the Olex2 crystallographic suite for visualizing molecular structures and performing geometric refinements. It provides high-performance 3D visualization pipelines for structural analysis. If missing, the software may fail rendering routines and display errors such as 3D engine error. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Since Olex2 module DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the OlexSys toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Olex2 module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Replacing Olex2 module without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. One approach to reviewing Olex2 module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Olex2 module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.